I say good morning and happy Sunday. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. And this is what we're doing right now. We have the boys, and they're playing soccer with the basketball. Oh my gosh. Say hi. Really?
Hi.
Oh, my leg. I can kick it.
Oh my gosh. That was so crazy. Adrian, say hi.
Hello. It's me.
Be careful. Oh my gosh.
Oh, let's show them what happened.
Okay, you're going to show my what you did? You're going to replay it?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
let him
I went
replay
this, and then I did the splits. And then I went like this on the ground.
And then I went, oh.
Ow, my booty. Eek.
Y'all are so crazy. Oh my gosh. So this is my Sunday morning.
Hey guys, we're outside. We're playing. What is this
They're
called?
playing inflatable darts.
Head up. Here's the match.
Huh?
It looks weird.
So we're gonna have some fun today. Go Alex.
That was a miss.
Yeah.
Oh, no.
17.
Cheater.
Let's count how many points I got. I got 12, I'm 12, so that's 12 points.
I go second and Mama goes last.
I got 29 points.
All right.
Mama, hold the camera, please.
Okay. I am being instructed to hold the camera. Excuse this hot mess. I'm not dressed for the day yet. So Adrian just hit bullseye before I could start recording him. And you're cheating because you're sitting in the chair, not standing up.
Well, I don't care. It's easier for me to just stand up. Whatever.
You got only 1 point from that.
So,
That was.
So how many points is that, Adrian?
the bullseye's 50. That's 58
I think
points.
that was cheating.
No,
You were sitting on the chair.
it's 58 points. I'm
Okay.
in the lead.
Alright. Alright, Alex's turn. Okay, you can record.
How many points? did I- I'm aiming for the 20.
Don't throw it so hard, because you're going to overthrow it.
That's a 0.
I got energy in my arms. Does that count?
It's not on the bullseye, though. It's on the 6.
Oh, this messed up!
So 6. And you have 11 points.
14.
What's 11 plus 14?
No, remember I got that 29 points, so you add on to that.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, let me see. Since I had 29, that's so 6 points goes up to 35, 40, and 54 points. Not.
Uncle's missing. He said he's able to get all 4. Doesn't look like it.
Not.
Nope.
Hi, guys. Happy Tuesday. Say hi, babe.
Hey.
Well, the mother-in-law's walking in the door. So, yeah, we haven't vlogged in a couple days. Sorry about that. But, yeah, we are home from work, and I got my nails done. They look so pretty. But, yeah, we're going to figure out what to eat for dinner now. And it's Tuesday. Team Mom, too. So this is breakfast for dinner. Eggs and bacon and some veggies and some toast. And the Astros are on. It's a good Tuesday night. So this is what we're both doing. He just got on his computer. Over there. What you doing?
I'm on my computer.
What are you doing on your computer?
I don't know, just turn it on.
And we're still watching the Astros, and Bella's being a good girl. And I'm catching up on vlogs. PJ's right there. See, I'm just watching a little bit of Ellie and Jared right now. And PJ's over there. Dinner is all cleaned up. It was so good. So good. So I'm going to show off my nails because I'm in love with them. I think they're so pretty. So pretty. Since I'm a fur baby mommy, this was my Mother's Day present to myself. So,
Welcome.
love you.
I paid for it.
We paid for it. Really? Anyway, but yeah, this is Tuesday. Only Tuesday. Alright guys, so I have to tackle this right here. So, yeah. Gonna tackle the clothes, that's what I'm gonna do.
Bless you, y'all.
Oh my gosh.
She got the sneezes.
Yeah.
So where's the cat?
We'll never know.
Well, we gotta find her. So let's see. Let's spin this camera around and let's see if you notice where the cat is. Yep. I don't see the cat. So if you zoom it around, I'm getting real close. Now if you look real close, y'all, you'll see it right there. See? Is it a cat?
It's a cat in the box.
It's a cat in my dresser. So yeah, that's where the cat is at the moment. She's on my dresser. I think she's having a little technical difficulties over here getting stuff in the drawer.
Yeah.
She crams it in there and then she wonders why when she pulls it out it gets stuck.
Hush up.
Hello, maybe you got too much stuff in the drawers. But, oh well, maybe we just need to buy a bigger dresser for her chest. She needs one that has like 10-foot deep drawers, 5 foot wide. You know, so she needs a big dresser. She has so many clothes.
You have more than me.
Drawer wise, she has more, y'all.
Kitty toy.
But I have more stuff, I think, that hangs compared to what she does.
Well, yeah, you take up 2 racks. I take up 1.
1.5 racks. Thank you, because the jacket's on the bottom.
Whatever.
That's both of our
You still
jackets.
take up 2 racks.
1.5 racks.
2.
1.5, y'all.
2.
1.5, because the jackets technically take up
That's
half.
yours.
No, it's not.
That's not my sock.
It's not my sock.
Put it in your drawer. It's one of the boys then.
She's throwing socks at me, y'all.
Oh my gosh, it's a clean sock. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah. Oh, thank God it's clean. So yeah, I've been bad. I was supposed to hang her plates up and hang a couple of things up, but it's just been crazy out trying to do other stuff and with work and yeah, just trying to get adjusted to everything moving, and we still ain't done with the apartment yet. We got a few more things at the apartment, which I'm getting Saturday, and then we'll be done and time to clean, and by the time we're done with all that, turn our keys in, we're out of that place.
Yeah.
Boop boop. So yeah, we miss our apartment though, but at the same time we're saving some moolah.
Are you comfy?
She's over there. So they're gonna get tapped by the cat. Hey, just be careful so she don't knock my bills on the floor. Our bills. Go shake her treats. Go shake her treats so she'll jump down. Let's see.
You want your biscuits?
Make sure you snap that thing shut
Come on.
so no bugs getting it. Make sure you snap it shut on both sides.
I know.
Oh wow, somebody's excited. She gets some tweets. Look at her. She's patiently waiting. She's like screw waiting. I'm going for it. I'm going to get it. I'm going to get them all. So yeah, she's over there now. She's looking at the new warmer we found.
I don't know if it works though.
Yeah, well, it might just need a new bulb.
Worst case scenario, I could make it a cute little pin holder.
I can get it out.
Yeah. Which actually I kind of think that's what I want to do.
That's
Just get it
whatever.
out and make it a cute pin holder.
For your desk here?
Yeah.
That'd be kind of cool.
Yeah.
Alright guys, so stay tuned. What is those? Is that Dr. Pepper?
Cherry Diet Dr. Pepper. Hey guys, so that is a wrap on the vlog. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye!